Hi guys, so today we're going to be doing a tutorial on how to check if your WhatsApp has been hacked. So I know most of you guys are probably doubting your partners whether they have hacked your WhatsApp or not, most probably because they have got certain conversations that they know of that they're not supposed to. So most probably they hacked your WhatsApp. And just to make things clear, WhatsApp cannot be hacked. The only thing that you can actually do is to mirror the WhatsApp using the web browser. So how to check if your WhatsApp has been hacked? First of all, let's unlock our screen, and then we go to our WhatsApp application. On this phone, I'm going to be using the WhatsApp Business. So here is our WhatsApp Business. There we go. That's our normal WhatsApp Business, and we want to check if our WhatsApp Business has been hacked, because someone is probably getting more information than they're supposed to. So you go onto the right corner, the right top corner of your WhatsApp Business, and you click on three dots, which are the options, and then from there you go to linked devices, and there you see right now it's showing that there is a device which is linked right here, Firefox Windows, last active January 6, 0931. That means that anyone who's using my WhatsApp right now last used it on January 6, 931. So what it's supposed to look like is this. Let's just use WhatsApp GB for a second, just so that you get to see what it is supposed to look like. Like if you go back, if you go there, and then you go to linked devices, it's supposed to tell you this: try new improvements, the beta version, what, and then it actually tells you to link a device, and then it doesn't give you an option here showing you the devices that are linked. So if I click link a device, it then requires my fingerprint or my PIN, and then I have to scan. So right now our WhatsApp Business shows that Firefox Windows, that our WhatsApp has been hacked using Firefox Windows. Firefox is the browser and Windows is the operating system of the machine. And for you to unlink yourself, you just have to click on it, and then you say log out. It's that simple, just like that. And then you are logged out. And now you have to protect your WhatsApp. Like, you can lock your application so that no one else has access to your WhatsApp while you are not available. Thank you so much for the for listening to the tutorial. If you need any more information, do not hesitate to send me a WhatsApp message, or just give us feedback on our comment section, and do not forget to hit the follow button.